Hi guys! Welcome back sa isa na namang panibagong geoterrific episode ng ating virtual class sa mathematics. Today we're going to talk about the greatest common divisor. Okay? So based on the definition, the greatest common divisor of a set of whole numbers is the largest integer which divides them all. Okay? So ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Okay. Pag sinabi natin greatest common divisor, ito yung kaisa-isahang number, pinakamalaking integer na kaya niyang i-divide yung mga given numbers or whole numbers na walang butal. Okay? So, meron tayong process sa pag-determine ng greatest common divisor at ang gagamitin natin ngayong araw ay ang repeated division. So, paano ba mag-work ang repeated division? Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito ginagawa. And by the way, bakit kailangan nating malaman kung ano ang greatest common divisor ng mga numbers? Una, nakakatulong sa atin ito kapag tayo ay nag-simplify ng fractions. And also, pwede rin natin magamit ito sa higher math like pag nag-factor out tayo ng polynomials using the common monomial factor. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin para mas lubusan natin maintindihan ang ating mga sinasabi about sa greatest common divisor. Okay. So, number 1, that is 24 and 48. Okay. Using the repeated division, i-divide natin itong mga to using their common factor, prime factors. Ayun. Pag sinabi natin prime, yung mga 2, 3, 5, okay? So, ang 24 at 48 ay parehong even, therefore, they are divisible by 2. So, i-divide na ang first divisor natin ay 2. So, 24 divided by 2 is 12, while 48 divided by 2 is 24. Now, ang 24 natin at 12 ay parehong even. So, pwede pa rin silang ma-divide sa 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. Ngayon, ang 6 natin at 12 ay parehong even. Tama? So, therefore, pwede pa rin natin silang i-divide sa 2. Okay? So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, ang tanong, is there a common factor between 3 and 6? Yes. Yun ay 3. So, pwede natin i-divide si 3 at 6 sa 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang natira na lang ay 1 at 2. Kaya pwede na tayong tumigil sa pag-divide kasi alam naman natin na wala ng common prime factor sa pagitan ng 1 at 2. Kaya ano nang kasunod natin gagawin? Gagawin natin is i-multiply natin ang mga to. So that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So what do we have here? We have 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. Anong ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin that the GCD of 24 and 48 is equal to 24. Diba? So anong gamit niyan? Okay, let's say for example, meron tayong fraction. Kunyari, meron tayong fraction na 24 over 48. And then, i-reduce natin ito or isi-simplify natin ang fraction na ito. So, to make it, to simplify this one, alam naman natin na ang ating common or greatest common divisor between 24 and 48 is 24. So, i-divide lang natin itong 24 over 48 sa 24 over 24. Okay? So, 24 divided by 24 is 1. And 48 divided by 24 is 2. So, therefore, the simplest form of 24 over 48 is 1/2. Nasundan? Di ba malaking bagay na alam natin yun? Okay. Let's have another example. That is 36 and 72. Okay, so let's find the GCD of 36 and 72. Okay, so gamit ang repeated division, that is 36 and 72, i-divide natin sila. O, anong pinakaunang prime factor na pwedeng magamit sa kanila? Since they are both even, so pwede natin gamitin ang 2. So 36 divided by 2 is 18, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. So, divide na naman natin. Anong common sa 18 and 36 na prime? Very good, that is 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. So what do we have next? Okay, so 18 and 9 can be divided by, correct, that is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is, very good, 3. And 18 divided by 3 is, correct, that is 6. I'm sorry. Sorry. That is 6. Okay. So my common in between 6 and 3, and that is 3. So this becomes 1, this becomes 2. Alright. So what do we have here? We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Dito yan nanggagaling. Okay, kaya huwag natin kalimutan. So what do we have then? We have 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. So therefore, malinaw that the GCD of 36 and 72 is equal to 36. Right. Let's have number 3. Ano nga ba yung number 3 natin? Number 3 is 56, 64, and 48. We have 56, 64, and 48. Okay. Pwede pala kahit tatlo, no? Try natin. So we have 56, 64, 48 using the continuous division or the repeated division. 56, 64, 48, common ay 2. Okay, so 56 divided by 2, ilan? Okay, we have 28. Tama? 64 divided by 2 is 32, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. Okay, so anong common sa kanilang tatlo? Kasi even sila. Very good. So, pwedeng 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 32 divided by 2 is, correct, 16. 24 divided by 2 is, very good, that is 12. Okay. Now, may common pa ba sa kanilang tatlo? Mayroon, and that is 2. Kasi pares lang even. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Alright. Mayroon pa bang common sa kanilang tatlo? Wala na. So therefore, since wala nang common divisor sa kanilang tatlo, meron lang tayo dito 2 times 2 times 2. And that is equal to, very good, 8. So therefore, the GCD of 56, 64, and 48 is equal to 8. Tama? Nasundan? Alright. So let's have here now. Tingnan natin. Let us simplify fractions. I-apply na natin yung concept na natutunan natin sa GCD para magamit natin dito kapag simplify ng fractions. Alright? Okay, so let's apply our knowledge in finding the GCD to simplify the following fractions. Try natin itong number 1. That's 25 and 30. Okay? So, ano kaya ang simplest form ng 25 over 30? So, alamin muna natin ang GCD ng 25 and 30. So, we have 25 and 30 using the repeated division. So, can we divide 25 and 30 by 2? Hindi. Kasi hindi sila even, pareho. So, therefore, ano lang ang pwede? Pwede sa 5. Very good. So, 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. May common pa ba sa 5 and 6? Maliban sa 1? Wala na. Therefore, the GCD of 25 and 30 is equal to 5. So it follows therefore that 25 over 30, para ma-simplify, is we're going to divide by 5 over 5 in each of the terms. So we have 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the simplest form of 25 over 30 is, very good, 5 over 6. Yan din yung nakikita natin dito sa baba. Alright, let's have 36 and 72. Nasagot na ata natin tong 36 and 72 kanina. Okay, the GCD of 36 and 72 is 36. So therefore, pwede na natin i-divide ito diretso into 36 over 36. So this becomes now 36 divided by 36 is 1. And we know that 72 divided by 36 is 2. So therefore, the simplest form of 36 over 72 is 1/2. Alright, how about number 3? 48 and 24. Okay? So, ang 48 and 24, alam natin kanina na nasolve na natin yung GCD nila, and that is equal to 24. Tama ba? So, pwede na natin idiretso ito. Ang GCD nito, kung matatandaan natin, sa 48 and 24 is equal to 24. So, pwede na natin gawin ang 48 over 24. I-divide natin siya by 24 over 24, and that is equal to what? Alright, so we have 2 over 1, or simply saying 2. So therefore, the simplest form of 48 over 24 is 2. Okay? So, I hope na naintindihan at nalinawan, and I hope na alam natin kung saan natin magagamit ang pagkuha ng GCD. Okay? So, thank you so much for your attention and sa pagpanood muli. So, I hope nakatulong itong video na to. So, with that, I'd like to say thank you and bye-bye. Mag-ingat po tayong lagi.